Anping County Yize Metal Products Company Limited is found in 1999. It is a modern enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales. Its headquarters are located in Anping County, the hometown of wire mesh in China. Yize Company's main products are cage series, poultry equipment, wire mesh fence, livestock equipment, perforated metal mesh, expanded metal mesh, breeding mesh, protective mesh series, chain link fence, field fence, stainless steel wire mesh, gabion box, welded wire mesh, barbed wire, seedbed, shade net and wire. Professional services. Qualified products and satisfying after-sales service have won the praise from customers. And the products widely exported to North Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, North America. The wire mesh application is for decoration, filter, security protection, construction, industrial, highway, playground, military, breeding animals, noise reduction, slope protection and so on. Yize Company adheres to the enterprise spirit of integrity, dedication, pioneering and innovation, and the corporate tenet of benefiting employees, achieving customers, developing enterprises, and repaying the society. Continuously improving service quality, optimizing product quality, and committing to provide customers with better quality products, and create a bright future with customers. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates, 8 patent certificates and our own brand, RIGHT. At the same time, we also take OEM and ODM orders. We warmly welcome customers to inquire and visit our company, and sincerely look forward to long-term cooperation with you to create a win-win situation. Choose right choice.